Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you the step-by-step process to create, customize, and embed a live clock that looks like it was built specifically for your dashboard. Let's jump in. First, we need a widget host. The industry favorites are Indify.co and widgetbox.app because they offer the most Notion native designs. Head to Indify and sign up for a free account. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see a list of widgets like weather and life progress. Find Clock and click Create. Giving it a specific name like Work Dashboard Clock will help you stay organized if you plan on creating multiple widgets later. Now look at the settings on the left. You aren't just stuck with a standard clock. You can toggle between analog, digital, or even a flip clock for that vintage vibe. Here's a pro tip for 2026. If you use Notion's dark mode, make sure to enable the dark mode toggle here too. You can manually enter hex codes to match your specific accent colors, ensuring the clock doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. Don't forget to set your correct time zone or your clock will be useless for actual scheduling. When your preview on the right looks perfect, scroll down to the bottom of the sidebar. You'll see a URL that starts with indify.co/widgets/ This isn't just a website link, it's a dynamic data string. Click the Copy to Clipboard button. Make sure you don't refresh the page after copying, as you want to ensure the exact version of the design you just built is what gets saved to your clipboard. Now head back into Notion. Navigate to the exact line where you want the clock. You can either just paste the link directly, or for the cleanest result, type / and then embed. Select the embed block, paste your link into the field, and hit enter. Notion will take a few seconds to handshake with Indify and fetch your live clock. If it looks small at first, don't worry, we're about to fix that. The last step is about the UI of your page. Hover over the clock block to reveal the black handles on the edges. Click and drag them to resize it. If you're using a multi-column layout, you can drag the clock by the 6-dot handle on the left and drop it into a column. This allows you to have your clock sit right next to your daily to-do list. The best part, since it's a live embed, it will keep ticking accurately even if you're using the Notion mobile app on the go. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.